In this video, you'll learn how to add a payment method in Binance. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully linked a payment option to your account for future transactions. Start by navigating to the Binance website or app. If you are not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, locate the wallet option on the main dashboard, which is usually found in the top menu. Click on Wallet to proceed. After accessing the wallet section, look for the Payment Methods option. This is typically listed on the left side of the screen. Click on Payment Methods to open the relevant settings. You should now see a page displaying your current payment methods along with an option to add a new one. Next, find and click the button labeled Add Payment Method. A list of available payment options will appear. You can select your preferred option, such as a bank transfer or credit card. Choose the method that best suits your needs, then click on it to continue. Once you've selected your payment option, you will be prompted to enter the required details, fill in the necessary information accurately, which may include your account holder name and account number. Ensure that all details match your verified Binance identity to avoid any issues. It is crucial to review the information carefully before proceeding to the next step. After confirming that all entered information is correct, you will need to complete two-factor authentication, often abbreviated as 2FA. Follow the on-screen prompts to verify your identity. This is an important security measure to protect your accounts and ensure that only authorized users can make changes. Once the 2FA verification is complete, you will receive a confirmation message on the screen indicating that the payment method has been added successfully. At this point, it is advisable to check your payment method list to ensure that the newly added option appears. This will confirm that the process has been completed accurately and that you can use this payment method for future transactions. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.